I am tired of the same homework and routine every single day. I need something new and exciting.
Zara, look at these new art supplies that I bought. I saved my babysitting money for them. Those art supplies are perfect. I want art supplies too. But I have no money saved at all right now. You should find a part-time job immediately. You love drawing, books, and coffee. Perfect jobs exist for you. You are right, Alex. I need a part-time job now.
Mom, Dad, Alex says I should find a part-time job. Where do I even begin this process?
That's a wonderful idea, Zara. First step is preparing your CV before anything else.
Exactly. A good CV opens every door. Write your skills, school, and hobbies clearly.
Step 2. Search online job websites like Indeed immediately after dinner tonight.
Step 3. Check newspaper ads. I found 3 local jobs right here in today's paper.
Step 4. Call your friends. They know secret opportunities others miss.
Last, walk around town. Look for help wanted signs everywhere you go.
Perfect plan. I start with CV right now, then call Lena.
Let's make your CV perfect right now. Start with your full name at the top in big letters. Zara Thompson, phone number, and email address. Should I add a photo or not? No photo needed. Next is your skills section. List your best abilities first. Skills: excellent drawing and design, organizing school events, customer service from helping at book fairs, Microsoft Office expert. Perfect choice of skills. Now, education section. You're 12 at Greenhill High School with good grades. Then experience. Volunteered at school library organizing 500 books. Led bake sale raising $300. Helped at community art fair. Finally, hobbies and interests. Drawing, reading mystery novels, swimming team captain, all finished. I will print 5 copies immediately for walk-in applications today. Excellent professional CV, Zara. Every employer will notice your preparation. Lena! Do you know about any weekend jobs around our neighborhood that might be available? Yes, I do. The art supply store needs a creative helper for weekends. You love drawing and painting supplies. That sounds absolutely perfect for my skills and interests. Did they contact you about this position too? No, they did not. But you should visit Mr. Kim tomorrow morning. Mention my name when you arrive. He hires friendly, artistic people.
Zara, job? I help too. My drawing has the biggest circles in the whole world.
Thank you so much, Tom. Circles are extremely important for art supply jobs like this one. Professional CV ready in my hand. Now I explore real job opportunities face to face. Hello, my name is Zara. Lena told me about your creative helper position.
This CV looks very impressive. I love your drawing skills and art experience.
That
Can you come Saturday for a trial?
that would be perfect. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity right now.
Are you a reading lover? Here is our application form. You can fill it now or send it by email tonight. I will send it by email tonight as requested. Thank you. I organize books perfectly every single time. Your smile is perfect for serving customers. Please leave your CV with us. We will call you soon. Excellent. English skills. This CV looks very organized. Apply online too, please. 4 CVs submitted successfully. Every place liked my preparation and professional approach. Four walk-in applications completed successfully. Now I will apply online to 3 more jobs tonight. Excellent progress. Let's check office receptionist and library assistant positions available right now. Subject line for receptionist, weekend, receptionist, application, Zara. Does that sound professional enough? Perfect subject line choice. In the email body, mention you are reliable, enjoy meeting people, and available weekends immediately. Library assistant email, subject, library assistant position, Zara. I will attach my CV and mention my book organization skills specifically. Very good. Last one, cafe barista trainee application, Zara. Add your customer service experience from school events. All 3 emails sent successfully. 4 walk-in plus 3. Online makes 7 total applications completed today. Outstanding work, Zara. You followed every single step perfectly with professional preparation. 7 jobs applied today. Art store, bookshop, cafe, office, plus 3 online applications. What happens next exactly?
Now you wait patiently for 3 days, then follow up professionally with every single place you applied to carefully.
What if some places say no to her application?
Rejection is completely normal and happens to everyone. Every successful person hears many no's before their first yes. Each rejection teaches you something valuable. The next yes comes because you never stop trying or improving yourself.
Thank you so much, family. I feel completely ready for whatever answer comes next.
Zara gets all the jobs. She's the best sister in the universe.